Imagine a world without electricity. Now, think of the power that lights up our lives every day. Electrical power generation is the cornerstone of modern civilization. From water wheels to solar panels, the journey of power generation is fascinating. The power grid, a complex web, distributes energy from producers to consumers. Efficient energy consumption begins with understanding how we use power daily. Sustainable energy sources are key to meeting our growing power needs. The challenge of energy distribution lies in its vast and varied landscape. Innovations in grid technology promise a future of smarter energy use. The balance between energy production and consumption is delicate and crucial. Every switch flipped at home is a part of a larger global energy story. The future of electrical power hinges on innovation, sustainability, and education. Understanding our role in energy consumption can empower us to make smarter choices. Together, we can navigate the complexities of the energy landscape for a brighter future. The journey of electrical power is ongoing, with each of us playing a pivotal role. As we look to the horizon, the quest for sustainable energy is more important than ever.